Hey everybody, Patrick Lowe to MarineMax, Somers Point, New Jersey. Today we are on a 2026 Scout 260 LXF. This particular boat's powered by upgraded white 200 Yamahas. You have a nice platform here on the back that has the flexi teak, a bunch of rod holders, cup holders across the back. Nice walk through as you're coming through the transom again, so you're not walking on top of all your seating. This has a fold-up aft seat here. This is great for when you're not using it, out of the way. If you're going to do any kind of fishing, no obstructions, anything like that. You have a live well back in here. This also too has the dive door for many different reasons. Okay, look at that. Very simple. And Scouts does a great job with this. Lock it in nice and tight. Close your lid down. Secure it in place. You're good to go. On the back here is your leaning post. So this is a great prep area, whether you're fishing, just hanging out at the sandbar, doing some cocktails, bait, sandwiches, whatever you want to do. Again, nice rod holders, cup holders, tool holder assortment here, sink, bottle opener for those sodas that you're drinking. And then you also too have a Yeti cooler right here, and you have additional storage here. And a garbage can. There's never a good spot for a garbage can. Everybody has the bags hanging off of the boat, always getting in the way, but you have a dedicated spot. Twin fish boxes in the floor here on either side. Moving up here to the helm. So this is nice. You have a real nice tall leaning post with a thigh rise. This way I'm pretty tall, so this way I like to stand and run. You have your tilt helm. Okay. This has twin Garmin screens, digital throttle, and it has the Yamaha Helmmaster joystick. Very nice setup. This model too, it's all glass enclosure. You have your switches up here. You have your Yamaha command link, VHF radio. So they do a real nice job with that. So again, as you're just kind of tooling, grab handles, you got kind of a little spot for everybody. Take a walk up this way, coming up towards the front. My lovely assistant Kate is on the camera. So here is the head compartment. So you can use that for obviously for emergencies, storage, and all kinds of plenty of room. And then over here on the panel, that's your battery switches and all that good stuff. Moving up here to the front. The other thing too is you still have a good amount of freeboard up here. So you get here to the front of the boat here. You have a nice cushion here to sit on, relax, suntan, everything. You can kind of lift this up here, a ton of storage in here. This particular one obviously has the props in here right now, but you can do a lot with that. And then you have your armrest here, so if you are kicking back, relaxing, have a little bit of room for everybody. You're done using it, fold them up out of the way. What do you know, more cup holders up here in the front. Removable backrest, a lot of room up here to kind of kick your legs back. So again, I'm pretty tall with my white legs, but you got plenty of room here. Okay, enjoy yourself. Under here, you have storage. So they're all finished, which is nice. Some manufacturers don't have a finished box. Water drains out, keeps it simple. Close them up. Okay, you have your latch. Low profile grab rail, cup holder, rod holder. You have manual windlass here, and then you have a through hull windlass right here out of the way. So it gives you, it's a really nice large compartment, very simple, very easy for those days that you're at the sandbar, if you're anchoring, whatever it is that you like to do. So you want to see this wonderful boat or anything else, give us a call here at MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey, 609-926-0600. See you on the water.